Yo, Wave Riders, we're back with another ride, and this one is special. We're pulling up to the elephant in the room, a beautiful event, none but other than Loisho, right here at the Old District Mall in Woodstock. Are you ready for the ride? Stay tuned, don't miss it out. Yep, rainy day in Cape Town, on the way to Woodstock, traffic lights. But we couldn't miss it out, so Wave Riders will never miss anything out. So please stay tuned and watch the video until the end. And I'll see you at the end of the video, man. Like, subscribe if you like the video.
And my main stage is also I like joining them and have fun with it. So he's an all-rounder, I must say. Not really the quiet performer, he's also as well. He's involved in tennis, rugby, and athletics as well.
I'm rolling in the door, like a Sunday miracle. Take me, oh, I wanna go where I feel it in my soul. Let me scream it, sing it, Cape Town. I'm with my band today, and I hope you guys just let go, just be free.
I think about it all the time. Don't want it in the afterlife.
You're perfect to you're the one I love. Every second. Don't be shy, don't be living in the past. Don't be crying about the same old thing. I know I'm trying.
Oh, I can feel you out of reach. Oh, I can see the way you look at me. This hallowed space here in between.
Speak, let all the curtains fall down. Speak, Lord, and set it out. I'm ready to just break my heart and leave me hanging on the edge of what goes wrong. Speak.
Don't let this love hold you down. Don't think you need me anymore. Oh, don't think you'd mind if I walk out the door. You barely there, don't wanna talk.
see December. I feel like I know some of you from Instagram. The people that comment on my videos and pictures all the time, I see you guys. All this time I be contemplating, feeling nothing but a life, giving every part of my.
I've been missing out. Take a little time if you gotta go. This is what it feels like. Give a little kindness to yourself.
Through my song, when I'm asleep, all I think about is. Come on. Give it up for 2 Man on the drum.
When you smile, you can light up the sky, give a glimpse of a paradise. When we touch, I forget all the pain and get lost in your ocean eyes. Oh, I used to run.
I was done. I was getting out of here. Can't tell them I'm not done. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart. This is so precious. And I hope your hearts are full of love. Thanks for coming, man. Do you enjoy the show? Thank you. What's your favorite song? Huh? Steelers on your status.
Thank you for watching until the end. Shout out to the cameraman. Shout out to the driver. Shout out to everybody who stayed tuned until the end. Shout out to Loisho. Shout out to Loisho and his team for making this possible. And there will be more videos coming out like this. And if you like it, please like and subscribe and share the video. God bless you, Wave Riders.
This could be some real love, real love. When we dance, I get lost in the moment.